Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Empties products I've used up reviews sort of video. We got a lot of things to get through. This is probably the largest Empties I've had in a hot minute. So if you like videos like this and want to continue seeing more, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. And let's get into it. In the comments down below, I'm curious to know how you feel about any of these products that I mentioned, whether you like them, hate them, things like that. If I don't like it, let me know what you think I would like better. If you've tried something that you really like, I always find these videos super helpful. No particular order, I'm just gonna grab and go. Everything will be linked down below if you guys are curious to check anything out that I mentioned in this video. This one, unfortunately, I can't link below. This is the Trader Joe's Coconut Body Butter. This is my favorite. I've had 4 of these, I wanna say. They're so good. It's like thick, it's buttery, it's creamy, it soaks into the skin really, really nice. It smells coconutty, and I don't typically like the scent of coconut, but it's not like, it doesn't linger on the skin. It doesn't sit weird, doesn't act weird. I absolutely love this stuff. It's one of my favorite body butters I've ever tried. I will say I just tried the grapefruit one, and I don't love that one as much as that one, so grab that specific one to try out to see if you like it. This guy right here, used up. I actually have some water chilling in there. I need to get rid of that. This is the Tree Hut Exfoliator Shea Sugar Scrub in the flavor or scent Exotic Bloom. Any scent, I do not care. I love this scrub. It's one of my favorite like physical exfoliators for my body before I sunless tan, or if I shave, or I'm just feeling really like dry and dull and flaky. This is my absolute favorite. It's very, very intense. I've been using this since maybe high school. I know college for sure. Super affordable. You can get it at Target, Walmart. I don't know if they still make this scent Brazilian nut, but that was my absolute favorite. That's what got me hooked to this. But this stuff is phenomenal. If you've tried the body butter of this brand, I haven't. If you have, will you let me know in the comments down below? Is it good? Do I need to try it? So yeah, I can't say enough good things about that. You can also get it on Amazon and things like that as well. All right, a dry shampoo that I tried and used up is this Collabs Dry Shampoo. This is a tropical fragrance. I feel like with every dry shampoo, depending on what fragrance it is or what style it is, it's different. Am I the only one that feels this way? I didn't love this one. I loved the first one that I tried, so I will link the one that I do love from Collabs because it's super affordable in the comments down below or in the description box down below. But this one just didn't give me enough. Like, I felt like it wasn't oil absorbing enough. It wasn't like voluminous enough. Like, it just left me being like, I need more. And great, obviously a $5 dry shampoo is awesome, but if you have to use a ton more product, it really doesn't end up being that much better in terms of your wallet. So I do like the Collabs brand, and I will link the one that I will be repurchasing down below. This one just left me feeling like I needed to use a ton, and it still wasn't oil absorbing enough. So that's my thoughts on that dry shampoo. I used up a sheet mask. I typically forget to include these in my Empties video, but this one I wanted to make sure that I did. It's the Curr Seriously Soothing Biocellulose Mask. This is a sheet mask, which technically sheet masks are more like serums than they are like legit masks in your step of skincare. But nonetheless, I grabbed this at Central Market, and I wanted to include this because I really liked it. It's pricey. I think it was like $5 or $6. I think you can get them cheaper on Amazon, so I'll link Amazon. This is like a jelly sheet mask, not in the sense of like if you've tried the Dr. Jart ones that are like legit rubber. It's not that. It's legit a sheet mask, but it has like some like rubbery goo. I wish I had taken a video of it, but it's really good. I feel like it locks in that hydration even more than just a typical sheet mask because it's got rubbery jelly on both sides of the sheet mask, probably cellulose. But I really like, yeah, gel mask fiber. Ooh, from fermented coconut. I don't know, I absolutely love this. It's got peptides, it's got hyaluronic acid. I had gotten a prescription from my dermatologist for my melasma, and it was making my skin just really dry. So I was using more hydrating products, and this one was one of my favorites. I will be repurchasing this again. I think Acure overall is a really good skincare brand, so I'm curious to try out some more. If you've tried anything from their line, let me know in the comments down below. This product is just hecka old, like 2018 old. This is so bad. I mean, it does say to use by 2019. I haven't used it in forever. I found this in the back of my cupboard in the bathroom. I only have a little bit left. This is the Rump Bottom Rub. It's supposed to be for your bum, but I actually went in because my feet were just so dry. I remember buying this when I first started working for Sephora, and I was on my feet a ton, and my feet were just really dry, and they were just not doing well. And he actually recommended this over their foot cream to me because it's so thick. So this is a softening avocado butter, rose water, and aloe vera. So it's super, super hydrating. But yeah, I mean, I don't think I would repurchase this again. I did go through a lot of it, but it's been so long since I've used it. It still smells good, and there's no like mold growing on it, which is weird. I know you can return your like bins, like these containers for a fresh face mask. I wonder if they still do that. Yeah, return 5 clean containers with this icon, which is the little, I think this one has it. For a free fresh face mask, which I loved their face masks, so much fun. So I will save this. I don't have 5 of them, but I'll just return it next time I go to the mall anyways, because recycle when you can, right? And they have a really good recycling program there. But overall, I love Lush products. I honestly haven't gone there in forever. I've been in love with their bubble bars for years and years and years, and their lotions are good as well. So use that guy up to all of its ability, because I'm not touching that or putting that on my body anymore because it's obviously expired for 3 years now. We love that for me. Anywho, loving tan. This is the 2 Hour Express in dark. I just did a full tanning video with this. I will link it down below for you guys in the descriptions. I love this stuff. I've repurchased this a million times. I just repurchased the large one. I think they're doing a sale, but I don't know if it'll still be going by the time this goes live. This is just good. It gives you a really nice even color. It's got more of that like red undertone, which I know sounds weird, but it's like gives you that like burnt look without being burnt. I don't know, it's super natural. I absolutely love this, love the way it wears off, and it gives me a super, super dark color. I love it, it's good, try it out. I know it says 2 hours, I try to leave it on longer, but you can just do 2 hours if you need to. This guy, I've already purchased another one. If you follow my vlogs, you know I rave about this all the time. It's the JVN, which I think is how you say it, Complete. It's their pre-shampoo scalp oil. It's got just really good things in it for you, lots of oils. You put it on your scalp and you can put it on your ends. I typically just put it on my scalp for like 15 minutes at least before you shampoo your hair. It's supposed to help with your scalp health and all that kind of stuff. What I've realized, you guys, and honestly, when I went to the dermatologist, I talked to her about it, I don't think I was washing my hair enough for my lifestyle and for the health of my scalp. Like, I forgot that it's actually like skin on my scalp. I need to be shampooing and cleansing my scalp more regularly. I was doing it like once a week, maybe twice a week, so now I upped it to 3 times a week. And I know some people can say that's really bad for your hair, da da da, I get it, but like what's also important is my scalp, and I don't think I was cleansing it enough for what my scalp needed, and I was getting buildup, I was getting dandruff, I was getting like serious issues. So I started washing more regularly and bringing this into my routine, and I absolutely love this, super affordable. Grabbed it at Sephora, already have a backup. Yeah, this has become a really big product favorite of mine. Obviously you can kind of like mix your own oils. There's tons of different research on that, but I like this one. It's just easy and convenient, and it's pretty affordable, so I like it. This next, I have 2 facial oils. This first one is the Elemis Superfood Facial Oil. I really loved this one. I feel like Elemis's oils are very like glowy oils that I don't necessarily feel like they suit my skin, in the sense of I have like normal skin, but if I had dry skin, I would want to use this oil during the day. Like, it's a beautiful, lightweight, luxurious oil. Now, I used to mix my oil in with my foundation, and that's what I loved Elemis's oils for. They just paired so beautifully with foundation because they give you a glow and whatnot. But then I started thinking, is that like messing with my like SPF and my It Cosmetics CC cream when you're mixing an oil in it? Is it breaking down those SPF benefits? So I stopped using it as much, even though I love the look of oil in my foundation. So I'm gonna try the new It Cosmetics CC cream to see if I like that finish better. Nonetheless, I really do like this. I don't like it for nighttime, to be honest with you. I just feel like it's kind of a waste of a super expensive oil to just put over the top. I would like to use it in the daytime for like that glow, but I just have normal to oily-ish skin, so maybe in the winter I could use this during the day. A little bit goes a very long way. It's such a luxurious silky oil and they smell amazing. I love the way Elemis oils smell. I first started using their rose oil and then I was gifted this guy and yeah, it's really, really good. So yeah, that is that guy. Elemis always has some QVC sales, so I'll see what I can find for you. Another oil I finished up, and this is the one that I had been mixing in with my It Cosmetics, but I'm not doing currently anymore. This is the Youth to the People Makai Acai Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. So I loved this one. I already have a backup of it. I actually dropped this on the bathroom floor and broke the little tip of it because I do have like enough to give me at least 3 more uses, but I broke it, so we can't do that. But I did really love this oil. It's thick, but like blends in and like sinks into the skin really, really nicely. And gives you a beautiful glow. I loved mixing this in with my foundation. Again, I've stopped doing that as much just for the SPF benefits, but if you know anything about that, let me know. I don't actually know, I'm assuming, but I did really like this mixed in with my It Cosmetics, but I have another one that I'll just use at nighttime as my final skincare step. I love that oil, such a good one. Youth to the People does some really good skincare and I love that one specifically. Finished up these guys. These are the Isle of Paradise Dark Tanning Drops. I did officially finish these up. I like using these not as like my all over self tan. I like using these as like maintaining my tan. So what I mean by that is these are just like droppers. I mean, there's nothing left in it, but it's a dropper that you can control how much you put into your everyday daily lotion. You can do it at day, you can do it at night, whatever the case may be. There's no color guard on these, so it's nice if you want to wear them during the day and develop whatnot, or even at night, it doesn't get on your sheets or anything. I did really, really like this. I think that this is a more affordable product to the Tan Luxe, which I loved for years and years. I will be repurchasing this. I don't put it on my face, I just put it on my body, but yeah, it's good. I like this. Again, I don't use it as an all-over tan, I use it as a maintenance to kind of help elongate the life of my tan. I used up a mascara. This one was one of my favorites and it will always be one of my favorites. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's just a really nice mascara. Right now it just is so old. I was using other mascaras like instead of this. So you just want to throw away your mascaras and not hoard them, even if they feel like they're not super dried out, just because they carry bacteria and things like that, like every product does. But I think you're supposed to throw away mascara after like 3 months of use. Sometimes I make it go a little bit longer, but overall I love this mascara. I just feel like I'm loving the Maybelline Colossal Bounce better right now, but this one is still like a tried and true amazing. It does tend to give me a little bit of raccoon eyes if I'm out in like the super humid heat, but overall, amazing mascara. My little cleansing oil that I am so sad I strayed away from. I tried the Shiseido one, which I do really like, but this one is just, it's better. It's the DHC Cleansing Oil. It's my first step. I use this to remove my makeup and sunscreen and then go in with a cleanser. If you missed my nighttime skincare routine, I will link it in the description box down below, where I go through the steps of how I take care of my skin at night. I cannot talk today for some reason. But this is just really good. You can get it on Amazon. It's super affordable. And I'm sad that I strayed away from it because it's just so good. It removes the face makeup and eye makeup like a dream. Doesn't give me any of those blurry like issues with my contacts because I am that blind that I need to wear my contacts when I'm doing my skincare routine or else I literally can't see. So yes, love this stuff. If you've not tried it out, it's good. It's an oldie but a goodie. So I keep going back to it. This is a weird one, but I finally, this is gross, retired my Schick razor. I ended up getting the Harry's razor instead, which I've been loving. So if you've not tried out that and you're looking for a good razor, check that out. This was good. The blades just got like really expensive to replace. So the Harry's has really affordable razors. I love it. And yeah, I gave this one a throwaway. I've had this for years, so it's time to retire that one. This guy, love this guy. I think this is my, well, this was my second bottle. Yes, I have another one already, and then I just bought one from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty because one of y'all reminded me that this was on their site for it. This is so freaking good. I love this stuff. It's an amazing setting spray. I also use the primer, but this like setting spray helps lock everything into place, but it also just blurs any pores and anything like that. Just, beautiful. If you don't use a setting spray and you find that your makeup, not even the longevity of it, but just like the seamlessness and the glowiness and the like blend of it all, you feel like it's lacking, try this. It's such a fine mist. It's beautiful. It like gets rid of that powdery look to your face and just makes everything look beautiful and blended. So love that guy. I finished up this eye cream. I like Obagi. I think they're a really good brand. This one I was actually gifted from when I was working at Sephora, so I didn't actually purchase this. I have no idea how much it is. It's the Kenton Hydrating Eye Cream. I don't know. I didn't notice anything like special about it. I did finish the whole thing. I did like that it was in a pump. I feel like that's really sanitary, but I will not be repurchasing that, so yeah. This guy, if you watch any of my Empties video, I'm pretty sure I always have one of these in here because myself and Scott both use this. It really helps keep my dandruff at bay. This is the Dove Dermacare Scalp. Only this scent, formula, whatever, works. Every other one I've tried does not work. Sad, I hate to waste my money and then it doesn't work. But nonetheless, this is the anti-dandruff. It's the Coconut Hydration. Get this one, don't get the other ones, it's good. So yeah, we go through that all the time. And then last but not least, I have a crusty deodorant. This is the Degree Motion Sense. I've repurchased this. I was thinking about going to a more natural deodorant and then one of y'all like told me that there's really nothing wrong with regular deodorants. There's not that much aluminum in them or whatever. I don't know, I was just sticking with what I like. I like it, so I've repurchased it multiple times. So those are all of my Empties that I've used up, I think over the past month and a half, maybe 2 months. It's been a while since I've done them, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I love making these videos to let you know what I finished, what's good, what's bad, what I won't repurchase. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.